Would you void your warranty on a brand new iPhone? Not after a year, not after damage. I mean, right out of the box, because that's exactly what we're about to do. This is an iPhone 16 Pro, brand new, never used, still in perfect condition. And instead of keeping it safe, we're opening it up to upgrade the storage from 128 gigabytes to 1 terabyte. Now, for most people, that sounds unnecessary, but here's the reality. 128 gigabytes today, it fills up fast. Photos, videos, apps, updates, and suddenly you're deleting things just to install something new. Apple does offer higher storage options, but the price jump, it's not small. So some people take a different path, a riskier one. Because the moment we open this phone, the warranty is gone. No support, no protection, and if something goes wrong inside, that's it. So this isn't just an upgrade, it's a calculated risk. We start by opening the phone, carefully heating the edges, loosening the adhesive, and separating the display. This part looks simple, but it's not. One wrong angle, too much force, and the display can crack instantly. Slow pressure, controlled movement, and finally, the phone opens. Now we're inside. Everything here is compact, layered, designed to be as tight as possible, which is great for design, but not for repair. We begin removing components, one by one, screws, shields, connectors, everything carefully organized, because even one misplaced screw can cause issues later. Now we reach the motherboard. This is the core of the phone. Everything runs through this, and somewhere on this board is the storage chip. Unlike older devices, this isn't removable. There's no slot, no easy upgrade path. It's soldered directly onto the board, which means to upgrade it, we have to remove it. This is where things get serious. We apply heat, carefully controlled. Too much heat, you damage surrounding components. Too little, the chip won't come off clean. So it's all about precision, timing, patience. As the temperature rises, the solder begins to soften, and with the right pressure, the chip lifts cleanly. At this point, there's no going back. The phone has no storage installed. It can't function like this. So everything now depends on what comes next. Now we prepare the board, cleaning the pads. This step is critical. We remove leftover solder, flatten every contact point, and make sure the surface is perfectly clean. Because even a tiny imperfection can break the connection. And if the connection fails, the entire upgrade fails. Now comes the upgrade. A brand new 1 terabyte NAND flash chip, higher capacity, more storage, more freedom for the user, but installing it is just as risky as removing the old one. We align it carefully, every pin, every contact, perfectly matched. Then heat is applied again, slowly, evenly, until the solder melts and the chip settles into place. There's a moment here where everything depends on alignment. Too far off, it won't connect. But when it's right, it almost snaps into position. Now we inspect everything. Under magnification, every joint is checked. No bridges, no weak connections, no errors. Because fixing it later is much harder. Now we begin reassembly. Motherboard goes back in. Connectors reattached, screws tightened. We also restore the waterproof sealing. Not exactly factory level, but strong enough for daily use. Everything goes back together, piece by piece, until it looks exactly like before, but inside, it's completely different. Now, the moment of truth. We connect power, press the button, and wait. There's always a second of silence here, where you're just watching, and then it boots. No errors, no issues. Now we check the storage, and there it is, 1 terabyte, fully recognized. From 128 gigabytes to 1 terabyte. Same phone, completely transformed. More space, more flexibility, no constant deleting. But it came with a cost. No warranty, high risk, precision work. So the real question is, would you take that risk just for more storage?